Hi, Martin here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Mac. So your Mac can go from looking like this to looking like this. So by the end of the video you're going to be able to customize the appearance of your Mac to exactly how you'd like it. So let's get started. So there are a number of reasons why you might want to consider using dark mode. Things like reducing eye strain, particularly if you're in kind of a low light environment, improving visual comfort, but you may also just prefer the way that it looks. So how do we go about enabling this on Mac? Well, we're going to head to the System Settings app, and then we're going to go ahead and click on Appearance. So when we go to Appearance, you're going to see the very first options we have are the ones that we are looking for. So we have the option of Auto, which I'll come to in a second, and then Light, which we're currently in, and then Dark. So if we go ahead and click on Dark, then we're putting our Mac into dark mode. Obviously, if we click back on Light, then we're going to go back into light mode. So the third option here, Auto, it says automatically adjust the appearance of buttons, menus, and windows throughout the day. So essentially, it will use light mode in the day and dark mode at night. So as the day progresses, you'll slowly move into dark mode in that low light environment, which some people really enjoy. So it may be that you prefer light mode in the day and dark mode at night, then Auto would be a great option for you. So that's essentially how we can activate dark mode. But I just want to quickly show you that we don't actually always have to go into System Settings, Appearance, and do it this way. What we can do is a little bit of a shortcut is head over to Control Center up here in the top right. If we click on here, we actually have a button. So there is a button here. If we click on that, that also activates dark mode. So if it's selected like it is now, that's dark mode. If we unselect it, then that is light mode. So that gives us a really good option to quickly flick between the two. So maybe you just want to flick between the two yourself. That gives you that option. The very last thing I will mention is that it may be that you love dark mode 90% of the time, but maybe there's a couple of apps that you don't like dark mode on. So for example, I have Word open here on my Mac and it's in dark mode, but I don't really like the page being in dark mode. I prefer the page, it's easier to type on when it's white. So what I can do is explore the view option here, and then you can see here I have a switch modes. So if I click on that, it switches my page back to light mode. So if you find that you prefer light or dark mode most of the time, but maybe there's a couple of apps where it doesn't quite work, explore those view options in those specific apps, and the likelihood is that you'll find some options to just put that app into a light or dark mode. So there you have it. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.